Grandpa, I read that the dodo went extinct because it was foolish? Is that true?
Ah, the great lie. No, my dear, the dodo was not stupid. It was innocent. The oldest of myths, child. The dodo was not foolish. It was safe for 1,000,000 years on its island. It knew no danger, no threat, no reason to fear a footstep.
So it just trusted everything?
Trust was like breathing. It wasn't a choice. Then one day, the world brought knives to its shore.
And it walked right up to them?
It did, with a curiosity that looked like stupidity to men who had forgotten what innocence was. It was not a flaw in the dodo, Lena. It was a failing of the new world.
People say I trust too easily.
And so you think you are a dodo?
I feel like one. I keep waddling up and getting hurt.
Then stop blaming the dodo in you. The dodo was perfect for its world. Your heart is perfect for a world that should be. The mistake is believing the knives are the visitors. They are not. They are the invaders. Your trust is not your weakness. It is your native language. Do not let a violent world take that away.
So the trust wasn't what killed it?
No.
What killed it was a world that didn't understand what it was being offered.
Precisely. Do not go extinct, Lena. Do not let their knives convince you to abandon your own island. Just learn to build a fence.